you can write down electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. So how you define electric potential energy? So you can define electric potential energy in two ways. Number one, listen everyone first. Suppose we have two charge particles, Q1 and Q2, separated by distance r. Suppose we have two charge particles, Q1 and Q2, separated by distance r. So work done to move the charge particle from r position to infinity. Work done to move the charge particle from r position to infinity. Okay, that work done is the external work done. So potential energy is defined as the negative of this external work done. I repeat, potential energy is the internal energy which always opposes the external work done and which always supposes the internal work done. So you can define the potential energies two ways. One, move the particle from r position to infinity. The negative of that work done is called the potential energy. That is the one way you can define. Another way you can define, which is written on your book, assemble a charge particle from infinity to a point r. The work done is called the potential energy. Means if you bring it from infinity to a position r, that work done is called the potential energy. You can define any two way, but my yes, if you use this one, it will be better, because in general, what happens, we always use work potential energy is the negative of work done. So suppose work done to move the particle from here to here. So work done dW, that is F dot dr. So force and displacement, the angle between them is 0 degree. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square, and the F and dr makes an angle 0 degree cos 0 degree. So what you have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square dr. That is your work done. Now to move the particle from r to infinity, total work done dW, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 1 by r square dr, from r to infinity, work done from r to work done at infinity. Now remember one thing, this work done is the negative of potential energy. Means potential energy u r, so u infinity is the negative of this work done. So work done r to work done infinity, that is this one, negative of Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r square dr, r to infinity. Is it okay, everyone? Up to this, is it okay? Here we try to calculate the work done to move the particle from r to infinity. That is the work done at for a very instant when the distance is r and the angle is f and dr is cos 0. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by r square dr cos 0. Now as you move from r to infinity, so total work done r to infinity. Now potential energy is the negative of work done. So potential energy is minus of this work done. Is it okay, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, if you integrate this minus Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught, the 1 by r square dr, see what happened, r to the power minus 2 dr, which is equals to r minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 by r. So we can write that is equals to minus 1 by r to infinity. So what happened in that case? That is equals to minus minus plus plus q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r to infinity, and here you have u, the du, u r u infinity. Now see what happened, the upper limit minus lower limit, u infinity minus u r, q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by infinity minus 1 by r. Now see, potential energy q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 1 by r. So we can say after that at infinity u infinity is 0. So potential energy at the infinity is 0. If we write this, so what happened? 0 minus u r, that is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. So u r is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can note down from here also, and I give you that video also, okay, to if you want to note down from here. So you can express it in two ways also. You can express it another way, that instead of you move from r to infinity, if you move it from r infinity to r, that work done is the potential energy. Is it okay? Hello, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो इस हिसाब से देखो इसका आंसर क्या आया. So on that basis, your potential energy UR is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Yes, potential energy is a scalar quantity. So its unit is joule and dimension is ml square T minus 2. Is it okay, everyone? You can note down. What?
Yes, sir.
So after this note down, see, important note. For n number of charge particles, number of potential energy, that is equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. For n number of charge particles, number of potential energy, n into n minus 1 by 2. Now the question is that how you get this value. So if n number of charge particles present at a time, and you have to select 2 at a time, because for one potential energy you need 2 charge particles. that is called the combination of two charged particles. So we know from this combination factorial n 2 factorial n minus 2i. So you have n minus 1, n minus 2i, 2 n minus 2i, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. So this is the formula, very, very important. If you have n number of charged particle, number of potential energies, n into n minus 1 by 2. I can give you one example. Suppose you have 4 charged particles, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So tell me how many potential energies possible?
6.
6. Because 4 into 3 by 2, that is 6. So you can say between 1 and 2, 1, between 2 and 3, 1, between 3 and 4, 1, between 1 and 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, between 1 and 3, 5, between 2 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 potential energies possible. Another very important thing, you can give the answer in the same way. Like in atomic structure, you know, when electron jump from one orbit to another orbit, it will emit or absorb energy. So the number of spectral line can be possible. You can use the same formula. Like suppose you have 4 spectral lines, N1, N2, N3, N4. So how many spectral lines possible? So 4 into 3 by 2, the answer is 6. So how can you show it? That when the electron jump from 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, then 4 to 2, 3 to 2, and then 4 to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 different spectral lines. That means you get the same answer. So this formula is very, very important. See how many spectral lines can be possible. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You can note down if you want, you can note down. You can just note down this part and then you can note down this one. The 4 particles. हो गया? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, next thing is work done is equals to change in potential energy, that is the final potential energy minus initial potential energy, which is very, very important. So you always remember this in this way. Work done, if examiner asks you work done, so try to find out the change in potential energy, that is the final potential energy minus initial potential energy. So I give you one question, like suppose you have 3 charged particles, suppose 2 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb, minus 4 microcoulomb, A, B, and C. Let the distance is 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. Now suppose you move A from A to A dash, B to B dash, and C to C dash, and the distance between them are 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. Find work done. Try this question. I give you 2 minutes for that. Tell me the answer.
144
144
into 10 to the power minus 9.
minus 9 joule. Now
Yes,
see,
sir.
it's a very simple question. A, B, C are the initial
Sir,
position.
voice আসছে না আমার।
হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছিস না?
না স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে না কিচ্ছু।
বাকি
Sir,
is it
শোনা যাচ্ছে।
audible? That means
Yes,
it's a
yes,
problem.
yes, sorry.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে।
শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, see, A, B, C are the initial position. A dash, B dash, C dash are the final position. So we can suppose in that way, initial potential energy. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, which is 9 into 10 to the power 9. And now all you have the microcoulomb. So 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6, everyone 6. And when you multiply two charge particles, so 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus means 10 to the power minus 12. So you can take the common that part. Now 2 and 4, 2 into 4 by the separation is 1 meter plus 4 into minus 4 by the separation is 1 meter, and then plus 2 into minus 4 by the separation is 1 meter. So what you have now, 9 into 10 to the power minus 3, 8 minus 16 minus 8. So this cancel. So you have minus 9 into 16 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. That is the potential energy initial. Now, what is your potential energy final? The potential energy final is 9 into 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 12, and this value is only, everything is same, only in place of 1, now the places are 2 meter apart. So everything is same, minus 16 by 2. So basically you have minus 9 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. So initial potential energy is this one, final potential energy is this one. So work done, that is the final minus initial. So final, you can take that part common, 9 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. That value is minus 1, and this is minus of minus money plus 2. So what you have at long 72, 72 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, ওখানে
Yes.
3টা মাইক্রোকুলম আছে, 10 to the power minus 18 হবে না?
কেন হবে? চার্জের ফর্মুলা কি? পোটেনশিয়াল এনার্জি ফর্মুলা হচ্ছে 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. So you are basically multiplying two charge. So minus 6 into minus 6 কত হচ্ছে? Minus 12 না? Okay. Rest for addition.
Yes, sir.
Addition and multiplication হয় না তো? Okay. Okay. You can try one more question. Even 2 questions you can try. I give you one for your homework. Page number 9 from your sheet. Question number 2. Try this one. Question number 2. Page number 9. See in this question. What is the answer? Anyone tell me? Question number 2. See, the question question is given. This one is one charge particle. This one is one charge particle. This one is one charge particle. A, B, and C. This one is Q1. This one is Q2. This one is Q3. That distance is 30 centimeter. That distance is 40 centimeter, and that distance is 50 centimeter. This is the initial position, and the charge particle Q3, whose distance between A and C is 40 centimeter, you move from here to here by making a radius. That point is D. So two charges Q1 and Q2 are placed 30 centimeter apart, shown in the figure. A third charge Q3 is moving along the arc of a circle of radius 40 centimeter from C to D. The change in potential energy of the system, means the work done, is Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught K. You have to mention the value of K. Option A 2Q naught, option B 4Q naught, option C 6Q naught, option 6Q2, sorry, and option D 8Q2. So see, again we have two situations. In the first situation, A, B, C are the potential energy. So let's try this as the first situation, and we can make it like 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught between Q1 and Q3. What is the distance? Anyone tell me? Q1 and Q3?
Sir,
40 centimeter. 50 centimeter.
So we can make it 0.4 meter. Between Q1 and Q2, 30 centimeter. So we can make it 0.3. And between Q2 and Q3,
0.5.
what is the distance? It is not given. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we can say it 50 centimeter. That is 0.5. Now, when you move from this point to this point, the final position is A, B, and D. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Between Q1 and Q3, the distance is 0.4. Between Q1 and Q2, the distance is, sorry, Q1 and Q2, the distance is 0.3. And between Q2 and Q3, between Q2 and Q3, what is the distance? Anyone can tell me?
0.1.
0.1. 0.1. कौन है ये? कौन बोला अभी 0.1?
Sir, Ushnik.
Oshnik, very good. 0.1. So work done, or they give you the change in potential energy, final minus initial. They give you in this question change in potential energy. They can ask you the work done also. So work done or change in potential energy. See, that part is same common. So we can remove that part, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q2, Q3 we can take common. Now 1 by 0.1 is 10 minus 1 by 0.5 is 2. So what you have, 8 4 pi epsilon naught Q2, Q3. Now look at this, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So what is the value of K? K is 8 Q2. So the answer is D. Okay. Is it okay? Hello. Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. Now I want you all try this question. Question number 12. See what happened in this question. It's a very simple question. Not 12. Sorry, question number 14. The question is that three charges Q, small q, and small q. are placed at the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle as shown in the figure. So this distance is given A. This distance is also given A. So anyone tell me what about this distance? What we can write here?
A root 2.
Root 2A. Now the net electrostatic energy of the configuration is 0. So net electrostatic energy of the configuration is 0. How you write this? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught between this and this. So Q into Q. What is the distance? A plus this into this. Q into Q. What is the distance? A plus this into this. Q into Q by the distances root 2A. So that is equals to 0. Find the value of Q. But for what value of Q it is possible. So can you arrange it and tell me which one is the right option? You just arrange it and tell me which one is the right option. See, it's a very simple question. When you have this type of question, you can do one thing. ये दोनों Q को एक साथ कर दो. So Q by A. So what you have 1 plus 1 by root 2, and that is equals to इसको इधर ले जाओ minus Q square by A. So you can cancel this A. You can cancel this 1Q. Is it okay? Can we do that? Can we do that?
Yes,
Hello. Sir. So if we do that, then Q root 2 plus 1 by root 2 equals to minus Q. So this is my minus root 2 by this. I expect this answer, but when we see the options, this option is not there, right? As this option is not there, that means they are arrange it because this root 2 we can multiply and divide by root 2, so it will be no effect. But now root 2 2Q, root 2 means 2 plus root 2. Now if you check it, you get the answer B. Yes, B is the right option. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these things are very, very important. This type of questions are very, very important. The second important part is potential. Define electric potential. So electric potential is defined as potential energy. Electric potential at any point is defined as electric potential electric potential energy per unit that introduce charge particle. Electric potential energy per unit that introduce charge particles. For example, suppose Q is the charge and Q naught is a charge particle which you bring from infinity to R. So your potential energy is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Your potential energy is R means you bring it from R. Q naught by R. Is it okay, everyone? Can we write in that manner?
Yes, sir.
R is means the variable of R. So potential is defined as, electric potential is defined as potential energy to bring that charge particle from infinity to a point P per unit that charge particle. So basically what happened, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught R by Q naught. So Q naught cancel. So you have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R is the potential. So what is the SI unit? What is the SI unit of this potential? The SI unit of this potential is volt. And what is the dimension? Dimension is energy, means ml square T minus 2 by charge. that is 80. So we write m L square T minus 3 A minus 1. Done, everyone? Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So SI unit is volt, and this one is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now see, this potential energy is also very, very important. And this relation, potential energy is Q into potential, and potential is potential energy by that introduced charge. So these are very, very important things. So from that, see, suppose work done, we can write change in potential energy, that is the final minus initial. Now, what do you mean by the final potential energy? That is the charge into final voltage minus charge into initial voltage. So we can say charge voltage final minus voltage initial. And the one more similarity is that, see, force is a vector quantity, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Field is a vector quantity, that is the force per unit introduced charge, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Potential is a scalar, potential energy is a scalar quantity, Q1 Q2 by R square, sorry, R. And potential is potential energy per unit introduced charge, per unit introduced charge. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Hope you understand. These four are very, very important. These two are scalar quantity. These two are vector quantity. Force you get charge into electric field. Potential energy you get charge into potential. Is it okay? These two are scalar quantity. These two are vector quantity. Right? So sometimes examiner give you both type of question. Like they give you at a time. Like they give you 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position particles are there. The separation is each A, means it's a square position. Okay. Put charge Q, Q, minus Q, minus Q. And if they ask you, find the electric field and electric potential at the center. So it's a very simple thing. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Our main aim first find out A, B, O, B, O, C, O, D. So O, A, O, B, O, C, O, D is equals to, if this is a, what about this one? Root 2A, is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And divided by 2. So what we can write? A by root 2. Am I right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now see, in terms of electric field, this one is positive. So this one is away. This one is negative. So this one is towards. This one is positive, away. This one is negative, towards. And what are the values if you write O at A, O at C, O at B, O at D? In terms of magnitude, they are same. So what you can say, electric field at O due to A, electric field at O due to B, electric field at O due to C, electric field at O due to D. They are same value, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by the distance. What is the distance? A by root 2 whole square. So what you have, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q by A square. That is 2, right? And now for each you have 2. These are the 2. These are the 2. So total kitna ho gaya? 2, 2, right? And this angle is 90 degree. What do you mean by 90 degree? How you get the resultant? So E net at O is, पहले तो इसको डबल कर दो. तो डबल कर दोगे तो क्या हो गया? 1 by pi epsilon naught Q by A square. Is it okay? ये दोनों का डबल, ये दोनों का डबल. So into 2, if you multiply it by 2, what happened? 2 cancel again. So you have 1 by 4 pi, 1 by pi epsilon naught q by a square, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 q by a square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And now they are 90 degree, 90 degree. So 1 square plus 1 square. So what you have, root 2 q by pi epsilon naught a square. That is the net electric field in this direction. And if you want to calculate the potential, see potential, what do you mean by potential? Potential at O due to A, potential at O due to B, potential at O due to C, potential at O due to D. So you can take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common. You take Q, you take plus Q by that distance, how much? A by root 2 plus Q by A by root 2. Then minus Q by A by root 2, then minus Q by A by root 2. I hope you understand what is the answer.
So
What is
0.
the answer? 0. So examiner can give you this type of question. They can ask you potential as well as electric field. So you always remember, for electric field, you find out the net direction, and for potential, you find out the net potential, which is a scalar quantity. कभी कभी इतना टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं करके दे गिव यू अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. देखो अब इसको बेसिक क्वेश्चन बना देता है. देखो कितना बेसिक क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. They give you 4 charge particles, same strength, Q, 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 Q. Distance is A, 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 A. And now they ask you, find the net electric field and net potential at the center. So obviously, again, first you find out this distance. This is valid. If you want, you can find
স্যার স্ক্রিন ফ্রিজ হয়ে গেছে।
এই এটার কি রেকর্ডিংটা কি করেছিলাম না এখনই করলাম? হ্যালো, রেকর্ডিংটা কি এখনই পজ করলাম? Okay, done. Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, আমি কি এটা রেকর্ডিংটা কি করেছিলাম?
Sir, এটা রেকর্ডিংটা হয়নি মনে হয় এই কোশ্চেনটার.
আচ্ছা, so I can just repeat, you can note down. This is the dipole. This length is L, this length is L. That distance is R from the center. We know that point is from the axial position. This one is the plus Q, this one is the minus Q. So from P, that distance is obviously R minus L, R minus L. And from that point is R plus L. We know potential is a scalar quantity. The net potential at P is a V plus plus V minus. I forget to recording that part. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge by that distance, and the strength in nature is positive. For this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to minus Q by R plus L. We can take common Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by R minus L minus 1 by R plus L. So we take the LCM R square plus L square, R plus L minus R minus L. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q into 2L. So Q into 2L is P, to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, P by R square plus L square. So if R is greater than L, so if R is greater than L, so we can neglect L square. So we have the potential at P is 1 by 4 pi epsilon P by R square. And here the P is the dipole moment. As we not put any arrows, that means it is a scalar quantity. Okay. Now what about the potential energy? Potential at the equatorial position. So for potential at the equatorial position, this one is my equatorial position. That P is the point, R is the distance. So what happened? That distance is also R square plus L square, and that distance is also R square plus L square. So they are equal distance. Potential at P, that is potential due to plus charge, plus due to potential at the minus charge, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q by the distance root under R square plus L square, plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, minus Q by root under square plus L square equals to plus and minus 0. So what we can realize, at any point on this line, the net potential is 0. So potential is a scalar quantity. So net potential on the equatorial line is 0. Is it clear? Everyone, is it okay? You can note down. अब देखो इसके ऊपर छोटा सा क्वेश्चन देता है. Suppose we have an electric dipole. They give you the value of the dipole. तुम्हें कंफ्यूज करने के लिए सपोज 4 माइक्रोकूलम मीटर, बस ये वैल्यू दिया और तुम कंफ्यूज हो गया. अब देखो क्या करेगा. दे से a charge particle Q, anything 4 microcoulomb, move from origin to a point P, which is a 0,2 meter. Find the work done by the particle. अब जहां वर्क डन बोला तुम्हें ये वैल्यू दिया है, तुमने इक्वेटोरियल का इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकाल के ब्ला 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 करके इतना झमेला कर दोगे. वर्क डन बाय द दिस इज PE cos थीटा वगैरह करके पूरा झमेला कर दोगे एंड यू गेट सो मेनी आंसर आल्सो. ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ आंसर भी लाएगा. बट बेसिकली क्या होगा, देखो दैट पॉइंट इज O, दैट पॉइंट इज P. वर्क डन दैट इज फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, that is charge where it is Q. V final is P minus V initial is O. Is it clear? Now the charge is how much? 4 microcoulomb, and at O and P, what is the potential? 0. Well, the answer is 0. You got it? You got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's it for today. आज इतना ही रहने दो. मैं भी थोड़ा